Does navigating an airport fill you with dread? The frantic energy, confusing signs, and worry you'll miss your flight? I'm about to break down the 9 most common pre-flight mistakes that cost you time, money, and peace of mind. By the end, you'll navigate the airport like a pro. If you find this helpful, tap that subscribe button so you won't miss our next travel upgrade. Now, let's get you ready for a smoother journey. First up, mistake number 1, arriving on time, not early. The airline's minimum suggestion is a gamble, assuming a perfect world with no traffic or long lines. Security and bag drop queues can spike without warning, making your buffer evaporate. The fix is simple. Aim to be in the terminal at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours for international. During peak holidays, add another 30 to 60 minutes. The worst case scenario, you have extra time to relax. Mistake number 2, skipping online check-in. Waiting to check in at the airport is an unnecessary delay. As soon as the 24-hour window opens, check in on the airline's app or website to confirm your flight and secure your seat. If you wait, you risk getting a middle seat or being separated from your group. By checking in online, you can bypass the kiosk lines and head straight to bag drop or security, saving you at least 20 minutes. Mistake number 3, ignoring terminal and gate changes. Airports are dynamic and gates can be reshuffled with little notice. You can't just check the board once and relax. The fix requires active monitoring. Enable push notifications on your airline's app for instant alerts. Also, make it a habit to physically check a departures board every 20 to 30 minutes, especially as boarding time approaches. Let's talk about mistake number 4, packing maybe items. Throwing in extra outfits just in case leads to overweight bags, embarrassing repacking at check-in, and hefty fees. The solution is to pack with intention. Be ruthless and remove 1/3 of your maybe items. A pro tip is to wear your heaviest layers, like a jacket and boots, on the plane to save weight and space. Mistake number 5 is a big one. Having no backup for your documents or payment. If you lose your wallet or your phone dies, your entire trip can be derailed. Relying on a single point of failure is a huge risk. The fix is to create digital and physical redundancy. Take clear photos of your passport, ID, and itinerary and save them offline. For payment, carry a backup credit card stored separately from your primary wallet. Moving on to mistake number 6, not pre-booking your airport parking or transportation. Driving to the airport and hoping to find a spot often means circling endlessly, only to find the affordable lots are full. The smart move is to book parking online a few days in advance. Aggregator websites help you compare prices, and prepaying often unlocks a discount, guaranteeing you a spot. If using a rideshare, check for surge pricing and build in a buffer for traffic. Mistake number 7 is being unprepared for security screening. Fumbling through your bag holds up the line and causes stress. Having a strategy is key to a smooth experience. Before you reach the belt, consolidate loose items from your pockets into your jacket or carry-on. Have your laptop and liquids bag easily accessible. For a true upgrade, TSA PreCheck lets you keep shoes on and laptops in your bag. Mistake number 8 is critical for international travel, underestimating document requirements. A valid passport isn't always enough. Many countries have complex rules that can get you denied boarding. First, check that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure. Second, verify visa requirements for your destination and any transit countries. Use an official government source or the IATA Travel Center website to double-check everything. And finally, mistake number 9, arriving at the gate unprepared for boarding. This is when you're frantically digging through your bag for headphones or a book, holding up the line. While waiting, organize your personal item, the bag that goes under the seat. It should contain everything you'll need for the flight: headphones, charger, medications, and a snack. This way, your larger carry-on can stay in the overhead bin. Also, fill your water bottle after security and screenshot your mobile boarding pass just in case the airport Wi-Fi dies. By avoiding these 9 mistakes, you transform the airport from a place of stress into a smooth part of your journey. If you learned something new, hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend. Travel should be about the destination, not the drama of getting there. Safe travels and smoother ones.